In this video, we'll take a closer look at the material used in each of the seats. So here is a seat which is upside down. The first thing I did was remove the black dust cover material and then pulled out a lot of the tacks holding that in. And then I removed the red velvet seat cover, the original or the upholstery that was used to cover each chair. And you can see where all the tacks to that went. Now, I did mention in an earlier video that there was another set of holes before I removed the tacks for the red velvet material. So I believe there was a different material used originally on these. And there you see the webbing. So now this seat is where you would actually be sitting. This seat has the red velvet material removed from it, as well as this one right here. So now, as we take a closer look at these, I started to peel back the layers of the seat. And what you can see here is the top layer is sort of a thin cotton cushion. Underneath that is this green material. And I'm wondering if this green material was some of the original upholstery used. When you flip that over, you come to this sort of grayish, and it feels like it's a cotton or batten type material also. Then the next layer, if I lift that up, you see some dark horsehair as well as some light horsehair. When you lift that layer up, you can see clearly there is a layer of hay underneath the horsehair. And if we continue to lift it up, you'll see there's now white cotton again underneath the horsehair. Underneath the white cotton, you can see there is burlap that is tacked to the frame. And underneath that burlap would be what you see there is the webbing. So there's actually on each seat, well, on this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. The hay is 5. The cotton there is 6. The burlap is 7. And then the webbing would be 8. So there's 8 different layers put on each one of these chair frames to make up the seat. And that does not include the material that was originally on top of these that you sat on. So I found this to be a very interesting piece of the puzzle, that so many different layers were used. Now in the next video, we'll start taking a closer look at each chair and see exactly what has to be done to it or any repairs made to make it a stable chair to sit on. See you then.